We were in the Delaware area and discovered that there was a Raising Cane's 20 minutes away from us. So my daughter said she had to have Raising Cane's before the summer was out, and I made her wish come true, I guess. I pulled up, and this is everything that I ordered.
Like the Texas Coast? Yeah, you can order it on the side. You can order any item as a side.
Okay. Can I do the 6 tender?
The combo?
Yeah. A Sprite, light ice, and a chicken sandwich.
Just by itself?
By itself.
Got another Sammy and Drive.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Alright, y'all. Instead of chicken tenders, I got a chicken sandwich because I never had one before. I'm giving these fries to my husband. Alright, you ready to try it? You want to try my sandwich? I have no room in this car, y'all. None.
Here's some of the Sprite.
A crisp, right? It's really just chicken tenders on a bun. All right, first bite. I need some more sauce though. One, two, three.
Let me try it.
Oh, it's hot. Something there, bro. You like it? You said you did. Yeah, it's good. It's messy though. And the curly fries.